5:30 in the morning, and we are going to go catch a sunrise over Lake Ontario. Stars are out, crickets are out. It's a beautiful morning so far. Let's see what the day holds. So that is the entrance to the trail, but because it's summertime and the beach is just over down the road, I guess they close it off so you can't get to the beach. So I gotta find another entrance to the shoreline that I want to get to. And I only have about 24 minutes until sunrise, but it's already coming up. Time's ticking. So I'm just gonna do up a quick coffee here while I'm watching the sunrise. Don't think I've done coffee like this before on a beach. This is kind of cool. Almost didn't make it here in time, but there was a nice lady that was more local than I am. Showed me the way around everything. That's all I'm going to say on that. Well, it has certainly been an adventure this morning. So the wonderful lady, Denise, I believe her name was, that showed me the secret way in to the water so I could catch the sunrise this morning. She's a metal detector. So while she was out on her travels, she found this cool boat. Launched in 2019. Supposed to keep in the water. Called the SS Niagara. It's got a little bit of wear on the smokestacks and everything. But the plan is to relaunch it up in Lake Huron when I go up there for the Bruce National Park, Bruce Peninsula, Tobermory area. So it will get back in the water and continue its journey on into the great blue beyond. Permutation. A major or fundamental change. The act or process of changing the order of an ordered set of objects. I came across this word first while I was hanging out with a work buddy of mine all those years ago. We both worked in the food service industry at the time, and later I discovered that I lived just down the road from him. Anyways, he introduced me to some new music, and one of the songs was called Permutation by the band 311. I never really gave the word much thought until now. I imagine we all undergo a number of permutations in our lifetime. Physical development, mental growth, emotional understanding, perhaps a career, perhaps inner peace. As I reread what I had written many months ago, I can now say that I have undertaken another permutation of myself. I have stepped out of the comfort range and pushed my own personal limits. From where I was 4 years ago, it felt as though I was at the bottom of the deepest well, only a speck of light visible in the distance above. Fast forward to now, I have climbed out of the place and now find myself looking over a beautiful lake of possibilities. The journey has made me stronger, wiser, and much more respectful of myself. Getting out into nature has been a major part of my healing and growth. It has helped me change my perspective. I looked at the world immediately around me in closer detail. The little bit of lichen, enduring the winter snow, an ant carrying a proportionally massive weight, the elegance of ground frost and sunlight, the flexibility of nature to adapt to changing conditions. I have taken these lessons to heart. I am proud to announce that my latest permutation includes a group of brand ambassadors that take mental health, personal growth, and the healing power of nature seriously. And all it takes is the first step. Nature will help you take the next. Get the fuck outside.